Joe Biden selects Pennsylvania's Dr. Rachel Levine as Assistant Health Secretary. President-elect Joe Biden has tapped Pennsylvania Health Secretary Rachel Levine to be his Assistant Secretary of Health in the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, leaving her poised to become the first openly transgender federal official to be confirmed by the U.S. Senate. Governor Tom Wolf, who offered Dr. Levine heartfelt congratulations, said he would name her replacement later this week. A pediatrician and former Pennsylvania physician general, the 63-year-old Dr. Levine was appointed to her current post by Democratic Governor Tom Wolf in 2017, making her one of the few transgender people serving in elected or appointed positions nationwide. She won past confirmation by the Republican-majority Pennsylvania Senate and has emerged as the public face of the state's response to the coronavirus pandemic. Dr. Rachel Levine will bring the steady leadership and essential expertise we need to get people through this pandemic, no matter their zip code, race, religion, sexual orientation, gender identity, or disability, and meet the public health needs of our country in this critical moment and beyond, Mr. Biden said in a statement. She is a historic and deeply qualified choice to help lead our administration's health efforts. Dr. Levine, a native of the Boston suburb of Wakefield, Massachusetts, and the daughter of two attorneys, is a graduate of Harvard College and Tulane Medical School, whose nickname during her residency at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York was Torpedo for her work ethic. "I have the capacity to work really hard," she said in a 2017 interview with the LGBT Center of Central Pennsylvania. She and her then-wife, who have since divorced, moved to central Pennsylvania from Manhattan in 1993 in what she called the biggest transition in life. The couple are parents to a son and daughter. Dr. Levine taught at the Penn State College of Medicine and saw patients there, and later at Hershey Medical Center, where she worked for 19 years in adolescent medicine. In 2015, she accepted Mr. Wolf's invitation to become Physician General of Pennsylvania, an opportunity she said in the 2017 interview that just dropped out of the sky. She considers the signing of standing physician orders in 2015 to allow first responders and the general public access to the narcotic overdose antidote naloxone without a prescription, saving the lives at least 2,300 lives of people who would have otherwise died, as among her biggest achievements. Another signature achievement, she said, was her work on LGBT issues, which she has done both as a public speaker and as part of her outreach work with government agencies. Dr. Levine joins Mr. Biden's Health and Human Services Secretary nominee Xavier Becerra, a Latino politician who rose from humble beginnings to serve in Congress and as California's Attorney General.